In this video, I'll be reviewing one of the mildest yet effective toners in the market that helps clear hyperpigmentation, black and brown spots, acne scars, and generally helps brighten your face. Now, if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Emeka. Welcome to Bloom Skincare. On this channel, I create content with the aim of helping you achieve a clearer, smoother, and brighter skin. So if you are yet to subscribe to the family, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly scroll down below and click on the subscription button to join the Bloom Skincare family and turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, the product we'll be reviewing today is our Veetgold Lemon and Honey Cleansing Toner. Here is my bottle. I've been using this for the past 1 month, and to tell you the truth, this is really one of the best toners I have ever used. It comes in a 300 ml bottle and it's very affordable for the price of 1,300 naira. So you can get this in the open market for 1,300 naira for 300 ml, guys. Now, what I really like about this cleanser is that number one, it does not irritate the skin at all. When you apply it on your face, it feels like you're applying just a plain liquid. Guys, after the first week of using this toner, there was no difference at all, which made me wonder if it was active. But by the second and the third week, I started noticing that my hyperpigmentation was slowly fading away. Even my sunburn was being corrected, my black spots, my acne scars. I started noticing that they started losing color. They started evening out with my skin, which is such a beautiful thing. But if you're buying this cleanser, because it's written here that it helps with pimples, I will just tell you that the con part of this, the bad part of it is that this did not help with my pimples at all. Yes, it did get rid of hyperpigmentation. Yes, it did work against my black acne scars and blackheads and whiteheads, but it really did nothing for my pimples. So I suggest if you have like serious or severe pimples, you should look for some other cleanser to use. Another thing I really liked about this cleanser is that it's a non-alcoholic cleanser. Most people don't realize this, but when your cleanser contains alcohol, it tends to dry out your skin, which even tends to multiply your skin problems. So always try to find mild cleansers or toners that do not contain alcohol. Also, this cleanser comes with SPF. It comes with SPF 15, but don't say because you've used it you would not now use your sunscreen and then you go under the sun and damage your skin even more. SPF 15 is not enough for your face, but it's very good that it comes with SPF. What you need for your face and your body is from SPF 30 and above. Yes, this will help, but it will not do the work on its own. So guys, using this cleanser, you can use morning and night. All you need to do is to get a little cotton pad, take up some of the cleanser and apply it on your face. I'm even going to make a little tutorial for that. So all you need to do, get a little cotton pad, apply some of the toner directly into the cotton pad, and then take the cotton pad and wipe your face. Also wipe your eyes to avoid black spots. there you have it. So you can do this morning and night every day. For other dark areas on your body like your knuckles, your feet, you can also use this cleanser. It will help feed your dark knuckles and your dark feet and elbows over time. So guys, there you have it, a review of the Veetgold lemon cleanser. With that guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and share. If you are yet to join the Bloom Skincare family, please scroll down below and click on the subscription button to become part of the family. Also turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified every time I upload a new video guys. Please guys, remember that with skincare, with any skincare products at all, the two things you need is patience and consistency. So consistent use of the product and patience will get you where you want to go. Until I come your way in the next video, remain blessed.